Hi, this is Julene from the Honors Tutorial. Our topic for today is about improper fraction to mixed number and vice versa. This is for Mathematics 4. Improper fraction to a mixed number. For example, number 1, we have here 17 over 6. So this is an improper fraction because the numerator is greater than the denominator. So let's have our solution here. Let's divide. So it's 17 divided by 6. What is 17 divided by 6? That is 2. So we will write 2 here. 2 times 6, that is 12. Let's subtract. 7 minus 2, that's 5. 1 minus 1 is 0. It is your option if you want to write 0 here or not. Or you can just cancel this out because it is 0. And then to change this into a mixed number, this 2, your quotient will be your whole number. This divisor, which is 6, will be your denominator. And your remainder here will be your numerator. So now you have the parts. We can change this into a mixed number. Whole number first, so that is 2. This one. So usually we are writing whole number bigger than the fraction. Next, how about the numerator? It's 5. Write it here. Over the denominator, that's 6. And that's it. It's 2 and 5 over 6. It is now a mixed number. Next. 22 over 3. Same process. Let's have the solution. Let's divide 22 and 3. What is 22 divided by 3? That is 7. So write 7 here. 7 times 3, that's 21. Let's subtract. 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. Cancel. It is your option if you want to write 0 here or just cancel this out. So again, 7 here, which is your quotient, will be your whole number. Your divisor here, which is 3, will be your denominator. And your remainder here will be your numerator. Okay, let's change this into a mixed number. Let's have the whole number first. Let's write it bigger than the other. And then let's have the numerator, it's 1, and then the denominator, it's 3. So that's 7 and 1/3. That's the answer already. Next, another. We have here 10 over 5. Okay, let's solve for this. Let's have the solution. And then let's divide, so that's 10 divided by 5. So 10 divided by 5, that's 2. 2 times 5, that's 10. Let's subtract. 10 minus 10 is 0. Remember, your quotient will be your whole number. Your remainder will be your numerator. And then your divisor will be your denominator. Now let's change this into a mixed number. So our whole number is 2. So let's write it bigger than the other. And then let's write your numerator here. and then your denominator here. As you can see, our numerator is 0. There is a general rule that when your numerator is 0, automatically your fraction is 0. So if it is 0, we will not write it. So instead of writing 2 and 0 over 5, we will write 2 only. Because the value of your fraction, which is 0 over 5, is 0. Next. How about 1 over 1? For 1 over 1, if you want to simplify fractions having the same, exactly the same number of your numerator and denominator, automatically this is equal to 1. No need for us to solve. Though it is an improper fraction really. But since our topic is about mixed number, then I will show you why is it 1 only. Let's have the solution here. So that is 1 divided by 1, and that is 1. 1 times 1, that's 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Remember, your quotient is your whole number. And then your divisor is your denominator. And then your remainder is your numerator. Then let's change this. Let's write your whole number first, bigger than the other, and then 0 your numerator over 1. So I have mentioned earlier, right, that when your numerator is 0, automatically this whole fraction is 0. So therefore, we are not going to write it anymore. Instead, we are going to write the whole number alone, and that is 1. So that's why I mentioned to you about the shortcut. That is the shortcut. And then I also shown you the solution part. What happened? Why is it 1? Okay? So that you will not be confused. By the way, this is the end of part 1 of our topic. I want you to watch out for part 2 of this topic, okay? So, goodbye for now. If you have inquiries about us or about the topic, just message the Honors Tutorials page. Thank you and God bless.